So the desktop on your computer is the starting point and ending point for everything that you do on your computer. So when you boot the computer up, the desktop is the first port of call. So normally you will have a picture in the background, which can be changed fairly simply. These are desktop icons normally arranged on the left hand side over here. All of these desktop icons over here give you access to apps on your computer or to websites, and all of these will involve a double left click to open them up. Down the bottom we have the taskbar. The bottom left hand corner is the start button, which we've talked about in another video. The start button also gives you access to other apps and features on your computer. We've got a search box down here which is very useful for searching for things on your computer. The taskbar down the bottom right hand corner will have the time and the date, and if we left click onto the time it should open up a calendar, and we can actually use this calendar to add events and put notes onto it. Down the bottom right hand corner is a notifications section, and if Windows wants to give you a notification about something such as an antivirus scan, it will appear in the notifications section down here. You can clear these notifications by clicking on clear all notifications, and then it's now clear. Just to the left of the time we have the speaker symbol here, and if you left click onto the speaker symbol you can use your mouse wheel to increase and decrease the volume of your speakers. This symbol here is the internet symbol. The Wi-Fi symbol is now telling us that we're on the internet. When you see this radar symbol, it's telling you you're on the internet. This symbol here is telling us that the laptop is plugged in and charging. The little arrow here is the system train. If we click onto that, we can see some other apps that are running on the computer at the moment. This is an important one. You want the green tick there. It's telling us that the Windows is secure and there's no actions needed. The taskbar has some other apps down here, most notably File Explorer, which is the yellow folder. Any item on the taskbar down the bottom here can be accessed with one left click. That's the beauty of the taskbar. Anything that's pinned on the taskbar down the bottom here only requires one left click to open up. For example, we've got our browser Google Chrome down here, and if I left click once onto it, it opens up our Google search engine so that we can search on the internet. We've also got Microsoft Edge, which is another browser which will come with your computer. The browser over here, Google Chrome, you will have to download from the internet, which I recommend that you do. See my other videos. But when you buy Windows 10, it will come pre-installed with Microsoft Edge. Let's try clicking on that. So left clicking once on the Microsoft Edge icon allows us to search the internet. Also on the taskbar we've got File Explorer, the yellow folder in the middle here, and if we left click once onto this it gives us access to the files on our computer, such as documents, photographs, videos and music, which can be accessed over here or equally down this list here. The little circle button here allows you to talk to Cortana, which is a voice activated app that you can use to talk to your computer, a bit like using Alexa. The task view allows you to switch between running apps that are on your desktop, but as a beginner I don't think you'll be needing to use this right away. The envelope symbol here is the mail app. If you want to set your emails up on your computer, one of the ways that you can do it is click onto this app, configure it with your email address and password, and then you can use the mail app to access your emails. You would need to set an account up. That's for another video. Also we've got the Microsoft Store here, where apps can be downloaded or purchased. It's worth a look to see what's available. Feel free to take a look and see what's available. The world of gaming, entertainment, productivity, such as Microsoft Office down here, and if you scroll down there are hundreds and hundreds of other apps, some of them free, some of them you have to pay for. Take a look through and see what's available. We can also drag desktop icons down onto the taskbar, and the reason you might want to do this is because desktop icons require a double left click to open up, but if down on the taskbar it only requires one left click. So for example, we could drag Glary Utilities here, which is an all-in-one PC cleanup tool, and if I put my finger onto the left click button and hold it down, I can then move it onto the taskbar, and if I let go, Glary Utilities is now on the taskbar, meaning that in future we only need one left click to open it up. We can see that it's still left on the desktop up here as well if you wanted to open it up from there with a double left click, but anything that you like to use regularly, it's nice to have on the taskbar as it only requires one left click.